What are you smiling about now? Huh? Yeah, you stopped crying in the camera, huh? You done crying? Why being mean? Why being mean? Come on, you've been screaming for 1 hour straight. You stop right now when I turn the camera on? Are you fucking serious? Come on, sweetie. No, I'm done. I'm over it. You know how tired I am of you right now? No, you don't, because you don't understand, and I can't put you on a flippin' timeout either. Yeah? Are you that mean? You think you're hurting me because you're squeezing your hands together? Yeah, you hurt me so bad, thank you, yeah. Over it. I'm gonna start screaming right now for another 2 hours for no reason. The bottle doesn't help, the bed doesn't help, nothing helps.